Hello, and thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'll be doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy for April, and this is my first video ever. If you would like to see more unboxings, unbaggings of beauty, skincare, all that good stuff, please subscribe to my channel. I just started this a few days ago, and this will be my first video. So this is the bag for this month, for April. I'm sure that you've seen many videos of this already, but I figured I'd share mine. Now, I do two profiles, and my first profile is basically what I like and my hair color, eye color, my preferences, my age. I'm 30 years old. And, you know, basically I change it just a little bit between the two profiles, and I change it to either somewhat comfortable with makeup to not comfortable with makeup. And I've noticed that that the variation of products do change, but I have noticed that even if you have something on your profile that you do like, and something you don't like is checked, you'll end up getting the product that you don't like for some reason. I think the profiles are backwards, but I'm gonna tweak it every now and then and see if it changes. Now, this bag right now is going to be my second profile. I did put that I'm somewhat comfortable with makeup. I changed my skin tone to medium. Usually I put tan, and I did keep my age the same. Now, I've only had this bag a couple months, so it's relatively new, this one. All right, so the first product that I am gonna grab out is the bubble tea lemongrass and green tea stimulating hand cream. And I actually was really looking forward to this product. I really liked the fact that I was gonna get this. They let you do a survey of products that could be in your boxes for the next couple of months, and this is one that I actually said that I liked. I actually really enjoy the scent. It's thick but not too thick. I always like getting a hand cream, and you know, this is actually my first in an Ipsy bag, but I'm getting a hand cream, and it actually smells really fresh, and I'll enjoy it for the summertime. And that is that one. And the second product I got, which is Ofra, and this is blush in Chameleon. Now, this is one of those things that I did not have blush selected on my profile, and I did not have the brand Ofra in my profile. Not because I don't like them, just because I have plenty of blushes, and I have a lot from this brand. Now, this is how it comes. And it is one of those palettes that you can put, and it magnetizes to one of those palettes. And the color is nice. I like it. I think it'll work. It'll work for me. Someone with my skin tone, keep it more on the light side. But I'll enjoy that one. I guess another blush, it'll have to do. Now, the next product that I did receive, which I've never gotten before from a Ipsy bag, is Nail Medic Keratin and Calcium Infused Nail Polish. And this is in the shade Rise and Slay, and it comes in a box like this. And the color I do like. It's a pastel color. I did have pastel selected in my profile, and then I changed it real quick, but I'm not sure if I did it in enough time. So this is the color. I do get my nails done every 2 weeks at a nail salon, so I'll use this for my pedicures. It's a very pretty color. I think it's nice. I think it's good for the spring. You know, I think it's pretty good for the spring. Okay, let's see. What do we have next? All right, the next product is from Hemp's, and this is a ultra moisturizing herbal lip balm enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. Now, Hemp's is something from when I used to tan a lot, and you would have that lotion and you would just lather yourself up in it after you tan. Now, I thought this was going to be more petroleum jelly like, but it's actually pretty thin. I think I didn't want such a thick lip balm anyway, so it's actually it's not so heavy on your lips. I've worn this throughout the day a few days ago, and it wasn't so bad. Didn't feel so heavy. And now last but not least is a brush by Vasanti. I love this brand, and this is the concealer buffer brush. I love getting brushes. I know a lot of people agree with me on that. And this is the brush. I do, like I said, I really, really like the brands, and this it's a nice brush. I think this will be, I'll use this, I don't think I'll use this for concealer, but I'm sure I'll find a use. I'll definitely find a use. Oh, there's my dog. This is Bailey. She's always with me. She'll probably be in a lot of these videos because she has to be laying on my lap. Okay, so now the next bag I'm doing is my original profile. Obviously, it's the same butterfly bag, which I love because I do love butterflies, and I love the rose gold hardware. And don't mind my camera. Hopefully I'll get a better one soon. So I do love the bag, and I'm glad I have two. This is my original profile that I've had for a while now. It has to be 6 months to a year. And this profile is pretty much everything that I like, that I genuinely like. On this one, I put not comfortable with makeup. It's not that I'm not comfortable with makeup, even though I'm barefaced today. It's just that I have so much, and I like getting skincare, and I like getting different products because I have so many subscriptions. So with this one, I put not very comfortable, and then the other one I put somewhat comfortable to get a mix of products. Between the two bags, I did not get any repeats, which doesn't happen. I always end up getting some kind of repeat between the two bags. So I was actually really, really happy about that. And the first product that I pulled out is the it's the Bella Pierre Banana Setting Powder in medium. I actually researched this, and the size is 4 grams or 0.14 ounces, and this is actually full size. The packaging looks a little different online, but it is full size, and that values at $35. So I was pretty impressed to see that. Now, I've actually never used a banana powder before, but I was pretty intrigued by this. I'm kind of not sure really what to do with this. I do use a setting powder, more of a translucent one, but I actually am looking forward to trying this. This is what it looks like. There was a sticker in there, and I did remove it to swatch it. And let me swatch it a little bit here. Let's see. And it has a little bit of a shimmer. So I don't think I'm going to set my under eye concealer with this, but I might see how it works. I'm going to try to see if I could set my whole face with it. I don't think so, though. I think it's just meant for certain spots. So, I mean, that's after I put it all over, if you could see the difference. It looks a little more even, I guess. Like I said, bear with me. This is my first video ever, and I don't even have a good camera yet, so bear with me. The second product I received is from Theory, and this is the Detoxifying Hair Mask and refines and conditions for all hair types. It is amino 8 complex and curated botanicals, granulated charcoal, shea butter, bamboo extract, and tea tree oil. It does come in a box like this. And I was actually really happy to see this because I like getting hair products and I do like getting masks. And this is what it looks like. Now, I'm not going to open it because it's one of those seals that from the cap you have to puncture it, and I'm just not, I just didn't want to open it yet. But it does say on directions, it does say for professional results, apply to clean hair and work throughout strands from roots to ends. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. So we'll give this a try and see how it works, and it's a good sample size as well. Okay, so like I said, this profile I did put not comfortable with makeup. I just didn't want to get much. Now, I did not have any lip products selected. I did not have this brand, NYX, NYX. I did not have that selected, and I also did not have these kind of colors, but this is the next product that I did receive, and this is the Soft Matte Lip Cream, and it's in the color Sao Paulo. It's pretty. It actually matches my nails pretty perfectly from the bottle, but then if you swatch it, I'm going to swatch it a little bit. It's a pretty color. I mean, I like it, but I just have so many lip products, and I just did not need another one, especially another matte lip cream. It's not bad, it's pretty, but like I said, I did not have any lip products selected, which may have been a mistake on my part because maybe that's why they sent it to me. And I did not have the brand selected. So another item that I'm receiving, that when you fill out your profile and it has all the brands like Benefit and Bare Minerals, this was one I didn't have selected, and yet I get these products that are not, the brands aren't selected on my profile, but yet I'm getting them. So I'm gonna tweak it a little bit, and I'm gonna reverse it. I'm gonna actually select some of the brands that I really don't want, and I'm gonna unselect some of the brands that I would love, and see what happens. The next product I received, which I was really excited to see, this is also something I saw during that profile where you can, so it shows you products, and then you could put if you would want it or not want it. This is one that I said I would want, and this is from Trifle Cosmetics, and it's the Sugar Bunny Heavenly Lip Scrub, and this is in watermelon. And I had gotten one lip scrub before from Ipsy, and it was harder. It was like it was in a little jar. It was a little bit harder. This one, I was like, oh, this is so cool. I think it's more on like a softer side. It has a foil seal in there, so we're gonna, I'm horrible at these, and I'm sure I'm not the only one that can't get these seals off. So so right now it is 1 a.m. and I'm tired, but I said, while I have a chance, let me get my first video ever up. All right, so I finally got it open. And yeah, it is more on like a jelly consistency, and I actually think it's a lot gentler on the lips. I mean, I don't like it so hard, and my dog is pushing me out of the way right now. So it's definitely exfoliating, but it's not so hard to rub around your lips like the one I had gotten in that little jar. It was like impossible to spread. This one is much better. I mean, and it smells amazing. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. And the last item that I received, oh, real quick before that, this is the card that you get, and it's the theme for this month is Social Butterfly. And on the back, it just says, facts, life's too short, skip all the fun stuff happening right now. And there's just some other stuff right in the back there. The same in both bags, of course. The last product I got in my bag is a highlighter. It's from Nomad, and this is the illuminating highlighter powder in Midnight Sun. Now, I laughed before because I get a lot of highlighters, and this packaging is impossible. This box is impossible to open. I actually ripped it so many times, and I taped it. I taped it shut. Now, I like highlighters. It's not that I don't. I use them every day almost. It's just, I'm not so crazy about this brand Nomad. I've gotten some things before, and it just didn't work for me. It's nothing against them, it just didn't work for me. Again, I did not have highlighters selected in my profile, and I received a highlighter. Now, let's try it comes in a little case like this. Let's try to get this open. Okay. And this is the shade, and I actually, when I swatched this previously, it's very soft. It's almost satiny. It's creamy, but it's more satiny. So, I mean, look at that shade. It's pretty. It is pretty. Let me do it better in a better place. I told you I'm learning. Oh yeah, I mean, it's very pretty. It's not so shimmery, which I like. Wow, it's so close to my skin tone. It's not really showing up. Let's try it over here. Okay, that's better. It's very close to my skin tone. But I'll use it. I'll see how it works. I mean, it's definitely, I like that there's no sparkle in it. It's more, I don't like sparkly highlighters, but anyway, overall, I do like both bags this month. Like I said, I did not get any repeat items, which is it's almost impossible for that to happen. I always end up getting a repeat item. I like getting repeat brushes, so I wouldn't have minded that. But again, I'm happy with this. I'm happy. Nice mix of products. Thank you so much for being patient with my first video ever. I'm a little late in the YouTube game. I do have an Instagram as well with the same name, Skincare Glam. But please subscribe to my channel and help me get this started. And I will be coming back with a Sephora Play unboxing for April, and also a BoxyCharm unboxing. And there will be many others, all different kinds of boxes that I am addicted to. So thank you very much, and everybody have a great day.